if you like a 65-year-old woman under, if you like a 65-year-old woman rather than a 25-year-old woman, I'd have to say there's something wrong with you. Okay, you're 35. You say you're 35 years old. You're 35 years old. What would be the youngest woman you would take? You're 35. What would be your youngest woman you would take? Okay, you're 45. You're 45, 42. I think you said 42. All right. What would be the youngest woman you would take at your age? Where you go, man? You say you're 42 years old. You say you're 42. What would be the youngest woman that you would take at your age? I know, right? All of a sudden you disappeared. What's up with that question? Oh man, you don't want to accuse me of smoking crack now. I just asked you a simple question. What would be the youngest woman that you would like to be with? Alright, damn, what was so hard about that? I asked you that question, and you went all on the deep end and went crazy. What's so hard? 35 is alright.